Hey there, it's Mike from TechMinded, your AI brain for automation. I help professionals like you harness the power of AI to streamline both work and life tasks, making digital automation simple and stress-free. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button, and let's transform your productivity with AI tools.
Unlocking the true potential of your business can happen through advanced AI integration, transforming operations forever. Companies integrating advanced AI report astonishing statistics, including a remarkable 300% productivity boost and a drastic cost reduction. Imagine achieving a staggering 95% improvement in decision accuracy while responding to market changes 4 times faster than competitors. To reach this next level, your strategy must shift beyond basic automation towards sophisticated integration techniques. Start with an advanced assessment to evaluate your current AI stack and identify new opportunities for integration with our free AI assessment. Moving into enhanced integration, create custom automation rules and ensure seamless cross-platform connectivity for your systems. As you optimize your strategies, don't forget about crucial performance monitoring and fine-tuning to maximize efficiency. Consider advanced data management through real-time analytics and predictive modeling to gain actionable insights effortlessly. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from startups seeing 180% revenue growth to enterprises achieving 400% ROI in just 6 months. Take the leap into advanced AI integration today, and let our experts guide you in crafting a personalized strategy forward.
Thanks for learning about AI automation with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI tools and automation strategies. Want to learn more? Check out the links below for my free AI implementation guides and recommended tools. Let's make technology work smarter for you. See you in the next video.